Yeah, thank you everyone for joining this session. So this is going to be a series that we are going to look into creating Playwright with ReqnRoll, right? So I've actually put a trademark here anyway, so or copyright if you may call it. And it's going to be a series of different frameworks that I'll be doing with this particular series. So I'm starting with Playwright. So I've called it Made Easy like ABC. Yeah, yeah. My name is Deji Emmanuel, so it's MELADE. And if you want, you can call it MELADE or MELADE or MELADE. Anyway, is yeah, Made Easy like ABC by Deji Emmanuel. So I'm going to try as much as possible to make Playwright with ReqnRoll setup easy, right? With ABC framework. So this is what you need to do to be able to set up this framework. Step A, right? I will talk about the introduction. I'll talk about environment setup. And on B, I'm going to talk about how to create playwright projects. And step C, I'm going to talk about create the feature steps and page objects. That is the approach, right? So these three ABC approach will get us to where we are going anyway. So that is my copyrighted framework steps that we are going to be using. And yeah, first step, right? Step A, right? So we are going to download Visual Studio. We are going to install it. And then after that, we then get Playwright CLI installed. After that, we will then also install, we'll close the Visual Studio and open it again. So that is the step A that we need to do. And yeah, then after that, we moved into step B, right? Step B is we will create Playwright project, right? And then after that, we'll add the page object folder, and we'll add the hooks folder, and then we'll add the data, test data folder. So that is the first step that we need to do after we've done the previous step. So then last step, which is this step C, right? We need to add the Nugget packages, right? And then we need to create the feature file. And after that, we create the step definition, and then we will then create the page objects. So that is the ABC. Then with this, we just need to run the steps. So that it's my ABC steps for creating Playwright framework from beginning to the end. So what we now need to do is now to start from step A, right? Thank you. We can stop right now.